What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys see the background, man. We done pulled up to Harley right now. Kind of should have started this at the house, but you guys didn't miss much, man. We done came to Harley, man. The Road King is done. I haven't seen it yet, so you guys are gonna see it here with me first. But in the meantime, man, I gotta go set up the truck so we can load this thing up. Got Mama in the cut eating Cheetos. Say what's up. Say what's up. Yeah, okay, bet. Yeah, we got Mama in the cut, man. So we about to pull the truck over there, go check this bike and load it up, man. I can't wait, dog. It's finally time to try. Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is, man. When we come on this side, that means the bike is ready to go. I can't wait to see that chrome wheel on that back. Where we at? Somewhere around here. We got a million bikes in here, man. So we gotta find it somewhere, dog. Gotta find it. Take a walk with us, though. You see the motorcycles? Look at all the motorcycles. Whoa. You like it? Oh, dang, we in a cut, too. They put us way back in a cut. Yeah. That thing looks good. Look at that wheel on that thing. Yeah, it looks good, man. I like it. You like that joint? Look way better with that freaking back wheel on there. Yeah, I like it a lot, man. Good looking out. Y'all see it here first, man. It's time to shine and get this thing completed. I can't wait, man. Let's get this thing loaded up, though. Alrighty, man. Got this thing strapped down, ready to go. Let's check out that back wheel. Jesus. That thing looks great. Can't wait, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know. Comments below. Have to get this thing to the house and get it finished off. Finally got this thing back at the house. Bars, rear wheel, everything, man. It's time to get this thing transformed and looking like moi. Alrighty, guys, we got our Road King back. Looking good. Got our rear chrome wheel on there. Now you know what time it is. Time to put that chrome thing on up front. Get that fender situated. Throw the bags on there. Figure out this headlight and stuff up here. Because I think they said a bulb was out on that. So got to find a converter for the new one. But meantime, we'll get this thing going. Should be looking completed today. Alrighty, we are looking a little bit better here now, y'all. Got Chrome Daddy Yo on there. Looking real good with them chrome lowers, the red buttons. Make it all flow that much more. I'm digging it. Oh, wait. Thing look good, man. Let's try to get that fender on there real quick. Got our wheel on there. We got our wraparound on Joan. And it's good, not rubbing. We did the cardboard trick, worked out perfect. Now we do have our headlight bezel here. We do have it here, so I know y'all like, what's up with the front end? So that's gonna go like so. Let's just get a quick little idea. Oh yeah, and I gotta put the seat on, man. Let's put the seat on real quick. Alrighty guys, we got that seat on there. We're trying to get our new headlight on there. However, it has a different connector. This is like a 3-prong connector. And the connector that came off of our bike, it's like a 2-piece connector. So our bulbs is blown on these. I'll probably just go get some different bulbs and call it a day for that. But we'll get this thing completed. Alrighty guys, we are all good to go. Now I'm gonna go to Harley and go get the bulbs for this thing, but I did put it on there just for the time being so we can see how it looks completed. We'll get those headlights today though, no big deal. Meanwhile, golly, this thing is looking really freaking amazing, dog. Look at the back wheel here, chromed out the game, looking good. Front wheel, chromed out the game, looking good as well. Wrap around, everything on there looks great. Corbin seat, peanut butter Corbin seat, nice 16-inch bars. We do have to get the little cover for up here and then that little trim piece right there. But for the most part, it is complete now. I am gonna wipe it down one good last time before I throw these bags on here and complete this thing off and possibly go on the first ride or something, man. Sheesh Louise. Godly. That thing looks cold, man. That thing looks so good. Look at the wheels, though. Man. Them things look so good, dog. So good. Chrome lowers. Color matched nozzle. Got the color matched oil cooler cover. Nice Corbin seats. It's looking good, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for this thing already, man, you might want to do so now. Because this thing is looking hard. Man, go ahead and head over to everythingsregular.com. Cop you a camo hat. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are just about halfway sold out. We only got about 100 hats left. So if you guys are interested, man, head over there right now. And this could be yours. The very last thing to do. Fire this joint up. Fire that joint up. Yes, sir. She is ready to go, guys. Ready to go. This was a fun build. What do you guys think about it so far? Let your boy know in the comments below. I'm really digging this one. These bars really did set it off, though. I can't even lie. Sheesh. And just like that, guys, we got it back in the mix. Looking good. That's a good lineup right there. That is one hell of a lineup. That thing looks great. Got the candy on the chrome. I'm loving that, man. You guys haven't entered the giveaway, man, head over there right now and go get your entry. Go get you a camo hat, man. All it takes is one camo hat and you can win this Harley Davidson, dog. So if you ain't never had a Harley before, now's your opportunity. I know they're expensive, so made it easy for you, man. So head over there right now and enter if you want to. But road glides are looking good. These two are complete. Want to get a cam and some more stuff for this one, man. So almost there, but not just quite. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys seen we went to go pick up the red Road King today. I didn't even think we were gonna go pick it up, or else I would have started off recording earlier. But no big deal, man. We have it here in our garage, complete. Bags, seat, wheels, lowers, everything painted up, looking good, man. What do you guys think about that thing? I can't wait to ride that thing here shortly. Just waiting for my girl to get back so she can watch the baby. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I want to thank everybody out there for 40,000 subscribers, man. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. So if you guys want to slide too, man, make sure you enter the giveaway for my 2018, and you guys can win a Harley for the cost of a hat, man. So it is what it is. I will catch you guys on the next one in that first ride video, dog. Peace.